Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new reveal. Happy early Valentine's Day to all of you. Thank you so much for your patience. This kit was a little bit delayed because we are waiting on some product to be sent to the studio, but it's finally here and it came early for most of you. So let's dive right into this kit. For this kit, I wanted something, Valentine's Day-ish, but still at the same time, something that you can use all year round. I think what I'm going to do first though is show you the pen. I always save the pen for last, but let me show you the pen first. This pen is called Ooh La La. Of course, it's named after the kit it is featured in. It has black glossy paint, rose gold metal, and the crystals are a blush pink, iridescent nude with pink iridescent crystals. It's gonna look lovely in your collection. Now you need something to protect your new pretty pen. I designed this pen sleeve that holds 1 or 2 pens, so nothing too big, it's nice and slim, can fit in one of those envelope pouches. Hint, hint, if you haven't got your kit yet. But here are actually 2 pens that fit right into the new pen sleeve. Let me show you the washi tape that is featured for this month's kit. Of course, you get the 15mm and the 7.5mm. The 15mm is a abstract kind of floral pattern with rose gold hardware, really pretty. And then the thinner one, the 7.5mm, is that pattern that you saw on the envelope pouch or on the kit envelope pouch. It's kind of the abstract heart design. I really liked this this design, and I believe I have it in a paper pattern too, but it looks really great together. Finally, a pink envelope pouch. A lot of you have voiced your feedback and that you wanted a pink one, so finally here is this kind of bubblegum pink color, and you get a little matching keychain with it. Same color, faux leather. This one has a rose gold hardware, and it doesn't necessarily fit on the wrist. I do have to improve this for the next one, but it's great to just clip on, and you can just grab it by the handle. But it just clips on right here to this little loop, and then there is a charm, an enamel charm here that says "Love Pretty Pen." So isn't this just cute? I really love how this went together. I just have to work on the little wristlet part, but I'll get that taken care of for the next one. If you're new around here and haven't seen one of these VB envelope pouches, they are one of the most popular items that I have released in kits, and they go super quick when I have extras in the shop. But I wanted to show you that the slim pen sleeves, how well it fits inside the pouch, in case you wanted to add any other items inside, which I am going to show you. So 2 pens inside the pen sleeve, and I am just grabbing things from my desk. These are transparent circle page flags on a little clear card, and then I'm going to add 2 washi tapes. These are the ones from the kit. I like to put those on one side of the envelope pouch, and then let me see what else I can find. Let me see. Okay. Other than, stationary planner items, you can also put like hand lotion, lipsticks, lip gloss. You can use this like as a makeup bag. We do have a reel coming up that's scheduled for sometime next week that shows you how to use this pouch other than for like planner and stationary items. So keep a lookout for that on Instagram. Next up is this is a notepad. It's not a sticky notepad. This is just a notepad, but I will show you how to make it a sticky notepad. This is 6x3, and in a little bit I'm going to go through the project of the month with you in the VB planner. I'll show you how to use that. So I started something new, designed something new for this kit, and I think I'm gonna do this going forward with some kits in the future, but this is called a bits and pieces pack. This pack will consist of die cuts from vellum, from cardstock, just different bits and pieces of little things. I know a lot of you like to use die cuts, and then I'm going to include some kind of like stickers. So these are heart puffy stickers, and then these are little tags. I really love this bits and pieces pack because you can use it for journaling. I know a lot of you have gone into journaling, which I have myself, and I will show you how to use this pack, some of the bits and pieces, into a project. This is the sticker book, the brand new revised sticker book that fits the VB planner. I have expanded this to 10 sheets instead of 9, and it's a brand new format. Also, I want to point out, I don't know if a lot of you remember, but I did do a survey a couple of months ago, and one of the feedback was to change the sticker book paper back to actual sticker paper. So the one on the right, which is from Goal Getter, that's that new paper. It's kind of like that vinyl, that smooth vinyl paper. But as you can see the difference, one is brighter than the other. So this one, the Ooh La La, is regular sticker paper, and then the one on the left, the Goal Getter, is that smooth, buttery kind of vinyl type paper texture. I wanted to do this so those of you that are new can see the difference. For the regular sticker paper, you get to use a VB pen, a gel pen, whatever pen you want. But for that smooth, buttery vinyl paper, you do have to use like a uni pen. So that's a big difference within the two. And then as you can see, the colors are bolder, the foil is brighter, so just something to think about. I will be putting up a survey, not a survey, but like a poll in the Facebook group to see which type of paper, sticker paper, you like best. February we'll have the regular sticker paper, but then starting March and going forward, we'll see where we stand, if we go back to the vinyl type texture paper or we stay with this regular sticker paper. Now I'm going through the sticker book, and as you can see, there's some changes that I did make. I really like it. It fits the VB planner very well. And it will fit with any type of planner or bullet journal or basically any planner out there. And I did include 3 transparent sticker sheets towards the back, so that was one of them. This one with all the deco, that's clear as well. And then this is a new added sheet with words, and that's clear too. So 10 sheets of stickers, 3 that are clear, and then 7 that are just regular sticker paper. So don't forget to look out for that poll in the Facebook group to let me know which sticker paper you prefer. For this month's project, using products from the Ooh La La kit, I am going to show you how I'm going to use some of the products in my VB planner. These are still up for pre-order, which will end, I believe, on Tuesday. But if you miss out on pre-orders, you can still pick up the planner sometime mid-month, February mid-month. But here, I already started. I used some of the stickers in the new sticker book. As you can see, they fit perfectly. So many possibilities that you can do with this layout. You can really customize it to fit your needs, to fit the type of planning that you do. I think I'm going to start. I want to show you. So these little lines, I like to call them little washi strips. Those are included here. You can use those on the bottom half of the layout, and basically everything you need to decorate this planner is in that sticker book. Everything fits very well. What was that? Okay, so I am going to show you how to make this double or sticky actually. All you need to do is take a double-sided adhesive roller. This one was in the VB toolkit, and there you have it. Look how well that fits right in that box. So don't worry, I'll be having more notepads that you can use for the bottom section of the VB planner. Alright, so let's work with the bits and pieces pack. I'm gonna make a little decorative piece using the tags. So I kind of went back and forth. I didn't know what to pick. There's just a lot of variety in this bits and pieces pack. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this little square and then this floral vellum piece, and then I think I'm gonna take one of these puffy stickers, and I'm going to hide this staple. So I have this little stapler. I use it for a lot of things. It's look how cute and dainty that is. I can't remember where I purchased the stapler. I think you can probably find one on Amazon. I think Heidi Swap has one too, a white one. And I'm just going to cover that staple with a little puffy white sticker. And there you go, a little 3D decorative piece for your planner. Or you can even use it for your journal. One thing I'm going to add is a little, I think, XO sticker. Grab my tweezers from the toolkit, and I am just going to forget it. I'm just not going to use my tweezers. I'm just going to add it to the side of the little tag right here, and there you have it. There's so many I think I'm going to leave it right here, and there you go, a little piece for your planner. I really decorate my planner according to the mood that I'm in. Sometimes I just don't even put stickers, or I just write things in it, and sometimes I go all out and really decorate it. You know, I think your planner should be personalized. It should reflect who you are. You don't necessarily have to decorate every single page, but do it so it reflects you and your kind of style. Next, I want to show you some of these new clear shapes and shape stickers that I have in the sticker book. I'm going to take this and highlight the calendar on the left side. I like to call these kind of highlight strips. You can put these over maybe some of your words. They fit perfectly in that section, and then you can put them on each column as well. They fit right in there. And then these are similar to the small transparent shapes. They're a little bit bigger, but they work just the same. These are clear, and I'm just gonna place these here so you guys can see how they look in the VB planner. I'm still in awe that I kind of designed my dream planner. I've been working on this. If you watched my VB planner reveal, I've been working on this planner for the longest time, and I'm already starting to work on the 2023. So I know it was super late because of manufacturing, production delays, and then shipping delays, but we do finally have everything, and they'll be going out very soon. But thank you for those that pre-ordered. It's such a labor of love, this VB planner, and I am working on 2023, so we'll hopefully have those. Hopefully, let's cross our fingers, by November, so you can start off 2023 with a new VB planner. So I'm just adding a couple more stickers just to show you the different sizes that I've come up with, the different sticker shapes that are included with the new revised VB sticker book. There's just a lot more stickers. I'm really happy how the new sticker book turned out. I really like the variety of shapes that I've included. Very functional stickers, and then there's a few decorative pieces, but a lot of functional things that you can use. So here is my layout for Valentine's week. I probably will be adding a couple more things as the time gets closer, but this is just a little glance of that week using products from this month's kit. Oh, and I'm gonna add this charm to the VB planner bookmark. So I have that. Isn't that cute? Oh, you can also put this for the for your VB clutch too. That'd be really pretty. All right, there you have it. And that's a wrap for this month's VB kit. I hope it gets you in the mood for Valentine's Day, which is in a couple weeks. Don't forget to reserve your next VB kit, which will be for February, on February 1st. It will last till the 15th or whenever it's sold out. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Welcome to the new VB members, and I will see you again soon.